Hello everyone, this is Queen F again, coming at you with another video. So today I got home and I had all of these packages to come today. So I have these 3 boxes, that bag which was a box but I took it out the box, this big box, and this box. So I'm gonna open up these boxes and show you guys what I purchased and we'll go from there. Okay, so in this box, we got some Love Always Wins Sunwatch Citrus Whipped Glotion. So, and these were 75% off, so I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those glotions, and a single wick candle. Let's see if I can get that open. We got the Love Always Wins single wick candle. So that's all I got in that box. Okay, this is my receipt. I got the candle for $2.46, and I got the Love Always Win Whip Glow Lotion for $3.15 a piece. So I'm gonna open up this box and see what I got, and I'll be right back. Okay, so in this box, of course, we got this flyer that no one loves to see. My receipt. Okay. Looks like we got a bunch of single wick candles. We have a firecracker pop. Some of these are very hard to get off. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and take these out for you. Okay, so we have a pink lilac and vanilla single wick candle. I don't see any fragrance notes. A banana and passion fruit and banana flower. Oh, something kiwi passion fruit. I love kiwi passion fruit. Pistachio ice cream, and this is the one I was excited about smelling. If I can get it off. Let's see how this one smells. It's like a light, airy scent. Very light, but it smells pretty good at the same time. It puts me in the mind of something. It's very nostalgic. But yes, I picked up one of those pistachio ice creams. Of course, Endless Weekend. Honeysuckle bouquet. Raspberry mimosa. And I have a bubbly rosé wallflower. And the fragrance notes are pink sparkling rosé, sweet blood orange, splash of cranberry juice with a natural essential oils. Okay, so that was that haul. And I have some more wallflowers. My total came up to $29.44. That's just a list of the things I picked up. Okay, so in this box I picked up more wallflowers. So we have a coconut lime breeze. And I'm not going to go through and read all these fragrance notes because it's a lot. But we have zesty lime, lemon, verbena, and sheer coconut with natural essential oils. Another coconut lime breeze. A third coconut lime breeze. Pink lemonade. Market peach. And another fourth coconut lime breeze. Bubbly rosé. Another bubbly rosé. And these were all $2.50 a piece. I had a 10 off 30. A third bubbly rosé. I'll show you my receipt. Pink lemonade. Raspberry tangerine. And another bubbly rosé. This is my receipt. My total came up to $27.91. Okay, so before I go to these two boxes, I got a bag right here. This was hand delivered as well, and it's a bunch of wallflowers. And I'm gonna just go through and pull those out. I'm not gonna go through one by one, but you know, well, while I got the wallflowers out, I just want you to see all my wallflowers together. So these are all my wallflowers. I had 24 in that bag and then plus 12. So you do the math. It's abundance. Which I'm going to probably take some back to the store and change them out for other scents that I like over these. Which some of them that I'm planning on keeping. But I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of my wallflowers. And then I'm going to put these away because they're taking up all the space, you guys. Okay, so open up another box of wallflowers. I thought we was done with wallflowers, you guys. So I'm going to go through this briefly and show you what I got. Ola Kiwi Passion Fruit. Turquoise Waters, and these are 2 packs. Spring. Honeysuckle and Freesia. Coconut Lime Breeze. Another honeysuckle and freesia. Bubbly rosé, of course. Raspberry tangerine. And lastly, pink lemonade. So that was all I had in that order. It's my receipt, $27.88, you guys. I had a 10 off of 30. So I got one last box, and I'm going to wrap this up, and I'm going to say goodbye. Okay, so this is my last box, you guys. I'm going to go through this box and pull out. I don't remember what I got. I got an idea what's in this box. I'm not going to look at the receipt right now. I'm going to put the receipt right here. Yep, just like I thought. My 3-wick candles. So, see if I can, I don't know how to open this box. Thank God. Okay. Okay. All right. So, we have the online exclusive Bahama Fizz. This is the candle everyone loves, and they talk about the packaging and how funny the packaging looks. So this is my first time getting this candle. I'm gonna read the fragrance notes. Fresh kiwi slices, island pineapple, coconut water with a splash of rum, of course with the natural essential oils. So I'm gonna give this candle a smell. It's a very light and airy smell. Oh, it could be the wallflowers I'm smelling, but I think it's a pretty good candle on coal. So I picked up one. Let's see. Uh-oh. Two. I'm so excited when I came home and saw all these packages at my door. It's like my birthday. And lastly, a third Bahama Fizz. So I picked up 3 of those. Okay. So I got 3 of these. And they were on sale for $10.95. I do believe that's my receipt. $10.95. I had a 10 off 30, of course. So I paid $30.93 for these 3 candles. So that's all I got, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and let me know what are you picking up. If you're done with SAS or you gonna go in there and do some more shopping. I think I'm gonna go back and see what they got today. I'm gonna do some returns and exchanges, so I'm excited about that, and you'll see that in another video. But I just want to say I'm excited about all my wallflowers. Got quite a bit. I don't need any more. I just want to give you a quick glance of my candles. And I might do a video of everything that I have. It's so much stuff. But I just want to thank everybody for watching my videos and support my channel. So thank you all, and I hope you have a good day. And it's rainy today, so yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out there and do any more shopping, but I'm going to try. But thank you all. Have a good day. Bye-bye.